Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 325-276-3883.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2017 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
What makes us different here at Kelly Grimsley Kia is our customer service. That's our #1 priority. We have a state-of-the-art building. Come check us out.